Yes, students, up till now we have discussed three rules for the formation of possessive case. First rule, by adding apostrophe and s to the singular noun. Okay, for the plural nouns we add only apostrophe because they are already in plural form and they are ending with s. Okay, so no need to add s again. But there is an exception in the plural noun, those plural nouns that does not end with a s. For example, children and men, to these plural nouns we add both apostrophe and s. Okay. Now coming to the fourth rule, when the noun refers to some living thing. When the noun refers to some living thing, for example, the elephant's trunk, the dog's tail. Here elephant and dog both are living thing. In that case, we add both apostrophe and s to make it into possessive form. But when the noun denotes anything which has no life, when the noun denotes anything which has no life, then the possessive case will not be written as by adding apostrophe and s. No, they will be written as using preposition, like the door of the house is locked. Okay, it will not be written as house's door. It is the wrong form to write it if the noun is denoting non-living thing. It will be written as the door of the house is locked. So I hope these all five rules are clear to you. Now see these words: India's heroes, nature's beauty, our country leaders. They personify an object but treat it as a living thing. I repeat, they personify as an object but treat it as a living thing. India's heroes, nature's beauty, our country's leader. As I told you in the previous rule, when the noun denotes the non-living thing, we are not going to add apostrophe and s. But here is an exception. They personify an object, but we are treating it as a living thing. So here we are going to add apostrophe and s. It will be written as India's heroes, nature's beauty, our country's leaders. Okay, now we use apostrophe with the nouns all denoting time, space and weight. See the example: a week's leave, for the time, a day's journey, etc. For the space also we use apostrophe s, a foot's length, a hand's breadth. For height also, for weight also, we use apostrophe and s to make it into possessive form. A ton's weight, a pound's weight. Okay. Now there are some words like house, shop, college and school. These words are omitted after the apostrophe. If we are describing somebody's house, somebody's school, somebody's college, somebody's shop, we are not going to write these words after the apostrophe in possessive case. See the example: I met him at Shanti's. The sentence is completed. Here we are omitting this word house after the apostrophe. I met him at Shanti's house. House will not be written here. These words are omitted after the apostrophe s. Is it clear? Let's take another example. I study in St. Kabir Public School, but my sister attends St. Mary's. So it's obvious that her sister attends St. Mary's School, but here after apostrophe we have not written school. Is it clear? So I hope this example is clear to you. These are the rules to be remembered while forming the possessive case. Yes, dear students. So today we discussed subjective case, objective case and possessive case. I hope all the three cases are clear to you. Please go through the worksheets, do the practice on your own and then match the answers from your answer key. Thank you.